In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an ETrade account for a child. We'll walk through the exact clicks and the information you'll provide, so by the end, you'll understand how a custodial brokerage account works and how to start the process with confidence. A custodial account lets an adult manage investments on behalf of a minor with the assets owned by the child and controlled by the custodian until the child reaches the age of majority in your state. First, log into ETrade using your existing credentials on the official website or app. Make sure you see the secure padlock in your browser and that you're on the legitimate ETrade domain. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Next, click Open Account. This option is typically located at the top of the page. On mobile, it may be in the main menu. Clicking it opens the account selection area where you can choose from the different account categories. Choose Brokerage. Brokerage is the category that covers investing accounts used to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and other securities. Selecting brokerage narrows the list to the specific types supported for investing. From there, click Custodial Account. This is the account designed for minors, often referred to under UGMA or UTMA rules depending on your state. By choosing custodial account, you're telling ETrade that the child will be the account owner and you, or another responsible adult, will act as custodian. Now, enter the information for the child. Provide accurate personal details exactly as they appear on official documents, including the child's full legal name and date of birth. Use the child's primary address if requested, and be sure everything matches your records to prevent verification delays. Minor typos can slow things down, so take a moment to review before continuing. Then, enter the information for the adult custodian, usually a parent or legal guardian. The custodian's details must be accurate and current since this person will make decisions and manage the account until the child comes of age. Confirm the custodian's contact information is reachable and consistent with any existing ETrade profile to keep the process smooth. That's the core setup. By logging in, selecting Open Account, choosing Brokerage, picking Custodial Account, and entering the child's and custodian's information, you've completed the essential steps to start a custodial account on ETrade. Take your time, double-check each entry, and you'll be set up to invest on a child's behalf